How does ChatGPT search work? If your brand is already getting mentioned, you'll know that ChatGPT is a massive opportunity for new traffic. And if you're not getting mentioned yet, listen in. Let's break down how ChatGPT browses the web for data and it picks the sources that are getting cited in those responses. Okay, so when you first send a message to ChatGPT, the first thing it does is it decides whether or not to use this web search tool. It does this by using these exact instructions that I extracted out of the ChatGPT system prompt. You can see here that there are 4 reasons it would cause it to say yes to search. It's if it needed local, fresh, niche, or accurate data. Next, ChatGPT actually breaks down your big old detailed prompt into multiple smaller search queries and fires those off to Bing. Yes, Bing is mega important in 2025. This returns a full set of search results, which is then passed to an agent, which parses that content and picks out the best bits. This web tool is actually a bit of a black box to us. The only people who know how it works is OpenAI themselves. But what we do know is that there are search queries that go in, and there are descriptions, 200 character descriptions that come out. These are then passed to the ChatGPT model that you are personally chatting to. Then that is used to create the final output response, which contains brands mentions, links off to things as well, and recommendations completely embedded throughout. If I look at ChatGPT, I can see here, I can see all of the sources and the descriptions of the sources as well. But I can't see the search queries. Well, here's a little tip for you. So if you right click inspect to open up your developer tools, let me bring this over. You go to the network tab and then you filter by a conversation request and go to the network tab. In here, I can see the search queries sent to the web tool backed by Bing. Okay, so let's go through this. So I can see I've got 2 queries: best surfboard for beginner in 3 to 4 foot waves, and one for soft top surfboard beginner recommendations. So let me search that in Bing. There we go. So pretty cool. Very difficult. I've built a Chrome extension that allows you to see the search queries that ChatGPT sends off to Bing without digging through the dev tools. They just show up in the UI when you're testing out prompts in your own ChatGPT account. Comment the word Chrome down below and I'll send you a link to test it out. Cheers, guys. I hope you have an amazing day.